Here, we're going to be handling the very first one, which has to do with design of a corporate website. Remember, we have installed our theme, which is the Consortio theme. We have the child theme and we have the main theme. As you can see from here's our appearance again. Okay. As you can see from our appearance. Now, one thing I want to tell you, please never you for anything assume you already know what to do. Always read through the documentation you are sent in the pack of the theme you bought. Every theme does not work same way. For this theme, we have import demo. That's the next thing to do. I'll import my demo because I want my site to look exactly like the way that one looked. So it's of a PHP version, okay. Memory limit, okay. Max execution time, okay. Post max size, okay. If it complains of anything, correct it before you continue. Okay. You see, this team has something for medical, for startup, task consulting, for software, it has for marketing, that's for IT solutions, law. It does not mean that when you want to use the team that you must use like this one for law. You can use it for anything as long as you can manipulate it. For the sake of our videos, I'm going to be as simple as possible so that we don't complicate issues. Let's see. Okay, let's go with this. Are you sure you want to install this demo data? Okay, yeah, I want to. Please note that you need an internet to be able to do that. You see the way I'm doing it now? I don't want to do the manual import of my demo. I don't want to. I don't want to go through that stress. I want to just do my import and let it be. So we wait for it to import the demo. When it is true, it will let us know. You see, it is importing the demo. Remember, always use what you can manipulate. You can decide to start your design from scratch. It's okay. There are some persons who buy themes, they don't use that theme, they just install the theme in order to get the plugins. Then they begin to do their own design, their own way. You understand? With the help of the plugins. It all depends on you. What you can handle, what you can effectively handle and manipulate. That's what you use. I guess we are through with installation. Let's see if it has installed our demo. It is supposed to give us a replica of what we saw. Let's see. Wow. 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 I like this. I like this. Yeah. This is good. Is this not looking awesome? Is this not looking awesome? We already have a site. Yes. We already have a site. I think I like what I see. You see, okay, this is our menu. This is our menu. Most of the time you will see my menu like this because I'm not on my full screen. So some things don't appear the way they are supposed to be. But if you want to know how it looks really, how the menu looks, we'll just come back to the demo and see it. You see the menu appears on top. So we are on track. This is what we have. Good, good. So from here we'll begin to do our manipulation. The demo has been installed. The next thing to do is to go and check our theme option. You understand? Remember, I don't need all this menu. I don't like what I'm seeing here. Okay. Let me see. Remember we created a menu. Let me even see if it affected. Let's see our menu first. Let's see our menu first to be sure that we did not, what we did. We created a menu of our own. Let's go check the menu position. See main menu, primary. Okay. Main menu left, main menu right, main menu footer, main menu secondary, menu services, our main menu. Okay, let's roll this way. We don't need this. You see, they also added custom links. You always see it. This is post, we don't need it. We don't need it. The good thing about WordPress present is that you can now do bulk selecting in order to delete. And me personally, I want to delete everything. So I can just select. Don't bother. We'll pick the ones we need. Now I have selected everything. I want to delete them. Remove selected items. Yeah. I can now begin to bring in my own. Yeah. Bring in home. Now I don't know which of the other ones to reuse exactly. I'll show you how I normally do it in order to get my menu. Yeah, it's saved. So what I do is I go to all pages. Let's open our page. And the easiest way to open a new page and not leave where you are is when you hover on a particular link you want to open on a new tab, you hold your control if you are using Windows, or you hold your command if you're using Mac, then click on it. Once you do that, it will open on a new tab without you disturb. If you hold shift, if you just hold shift, it will open on a new window entirely. So I'll stop this video here so that it will not be too long. Then we'll start going from here. From the next video, I'll show you how to select your pages. Thank you.